Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this guide, I'm going to show you how to find your FPL Team ID on your mobile device. You cannot find the FPL Team ID within the application. You need to go ahead and launch the web browser on your phone, then log into your specific account. Once there, you need to tap on the three lines in the top left corner of the screen. And from the menu that appears, select Fantasy, which is between statistics and games. Now select Fantasy Premier League option. Then select the Pick Team option from the top. You'll see the section of transfers, and beside that, you'll see the option of transfer history. Go ahead and select it. Now, this will open your transfer history page, and now look at the URL in your browser from the top. And your team ID is the number located next to entry. So that's it. That's how you can quickly find your team ID in FPL using the web browser. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.